Guys and girls, it's Know It time!
Alright guys and gals, so today I'm going to teach you a new lesson, and this is how to divide fractions. A lot of people are weak on fractions, especially when it comes to division. How to divide fractions. Guys and gals, it's Know It time. Your favorite time of the day. 1, 2. I'm going to give you a quick example. I'm not going to show you how to do it yet. I want to see back in elementary school. How many of you remember how to divide? 4 over 5 divided by 3 over 2. I'm going to pause it right here, and I'm just going to ask show of hands. How many of you did division with fractions in elementary school before? How many of you divided fractions in elementary school before? No one? Really? Wow, this is a shock. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this if you haven't figured out. So guys and gals, to divide fractions, you're going to follow something called my steps to success. Steps to success. Steps to success. Double C, double S, and you will always succeed. 1. There is no such thing as division. There's no such thing. But a lot of you are going to look and say, but you just gave me a question with division. What do you mean there's no such thing? Division is really multiplication in disguise. That's what division is. It's really multiplication in disguise. 2. So we know there's no such thing as division. Here's how you multiply. In order to work with division, you need to multiply by, now here's a term. I'm not sure if you know this term. I'll give anyone one card if they can figure out what this term is. It's a term in math. Hands up. What do you call it when I flip the numerator and denominator around? You probably have heard this. I'll give you a hint. It starts with the letter R. What do you call, Joe, take a guess. Reverse, no. Reciprocal. Reciprocal is correct. How many of you heard of that term before, reciprocal? 1. Really? Where have you guys been in elementary school? What happened to you? Reciprocal is correct. Get this in 1 second. Now, so let's write this. I want you to highlight this word, reciprocal. Okay? Highlight this word if you have to. This is your word for the day, reciprocal. Now, reciprocal means this. You flip the numerator and denominator. That's what it means. I give you a fraction, you give me the reciprocal. 5 over 4. Okay. So let's look what it means. You flip it. Naresh, take a guess what the reciprocal is going to be. Nope. 4 over, sorry? 5 is correct. See what I did? I take it and I flip it. Liam, give me a fraction, Liam. Go nuts.
6 over 7.
That's crazy. 6 over 7. Amrit, reciprocal. 7 over 6. Ah, interesting. Pop quiz, hotshot. What if I give you this? 3 1/2. I'm going to pause it. So I walked around and I just asked half the class. Half the class says, hey, Miss Snow, this is easy. The answer is 3 and 2 over 1. Other half says, no, no, no. The answer is not 3 over. It's going to be or. You can. Sorry. The other half voted 2 over 7. We'll see who's right. First of all, I need you to write this down. Star. Never, ever work with mixed fractions. You never work with mixed fractions. That's the key. Just like multiplication. If you have mixed fractions, you can convert this. So let's convert. 3 1/2. Robin, 3 1/2 becomes what? 7 over 3 1/2 becomes 7 over 2. Now we flip that. So Pikachu, who's right? 2 over 7. Hey, that was pretty easy. So guys, girls, step 1, step 2 is done. Step 3. This is the most important step. This is where people make mistakes. Put a star beside step 3. Because I guarantee if you make a mistake, it's going to be at step 3. So pay attention for step 3. Star. You only, this is a key, take the reciprocal. You only take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Not the first one, only the second one. Of the second fraction. This is a key. Says you only take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So guys, gals, let's work with this. I'm going to give you a question. 3 over 5 divided by, let's say, 4 over 5. I want you to now look what I've just taught you and figure this on your own without my help. Based on my steps 1, 2, 3. Review my steps and see if you can figure out what I mean by each step. I'm going to pause it. And now, again, start with this 3 over 5. Joey, what does the second fraction become, Joey? What does this fraction become? No, no. Remember, we take the reciprocal of this second fraction. 5 over 4, good. Harneet, do I divide these, add them, or multiply them? So you multiply them. See, notice, look guys, my division has turned to multiplication. Go ahead, start doing the dance, and start multiplying. And you see that things will cancel very nicely. 1, 1, and your answer is 3 over 4. Nothing too bad. Was it that hard? No, not really. Keep it simple. Try another one, your own. And we're going to see how far you can get. Good luck with this one. 5/8 divided by 1/4. I'll make it more challenging as you get progressed through this. Okay, follow my instructions, follow my techniques that I've taught you. Charlene, which number do I flip? Ah, good. I flipped the second one. I never touched the first fraction. If you touch it, you know you're doing it wrong. Dopreet, what does the second fraction become? 4 over 1. Good. Rachel, am I going to divide, multiply, or add? Multiply. Good. See? Everything comes back. Devin, you're up. Which one can I, is there any way I can reduce? The 8 and the 4. See, look, I'm just reducing. Very simple. Nothing too bad. Neha, haven't talked to you for a while, Neha. This 4 and this 8, what does it become, Neha? 2 is correct here. What about this 4? 1 is correct. Hey guys and gals, do the dance. Multiply sideways this time. Okay, is it that hard? No, not really. 5 over 2. That was easy. Ready for something cheesy? Good luck. Then after this, I'm going to give you my supernova question. 1 and 1/12 divided by 2 1/2. I'm going to pause it. First of all, guys and gals, notice, look, I can never work with mixed fractions. This is bad. Liam, you're up. Let's convert this, Liam. What is this as improper fraction?
13.
Good. 13 over?
12.
Excellent. See, nothing too bad. Rajan, you're up. 2 and 1/2. See, 5 over 2. Notice I didn't flip anything yet. Now, once you get to this stage, we're going to flip. Rita, which one am I going to flip, Rita? So Rita says, Mr. No, let's just flip this. Notice I'm not touching the first fraction. If you touch the first fraction, it's wrong. So look what I'm going to do. This is now going to become 13 over 12 times 2 over 5. Okay, keep it simple. Tyrell, what can I cross out, Tyrell? Hey, look at this 2 and this 12. Guys, gals, take a minute and just cross those out. And it becomes very nice. Okay, keep it simple. That becomes a 1. That becomes a 6. That becomes 13 over 30. So is it that hard? No, not really. Guys, gals, your supernova question for today. Good luck. I want to see who can handle this. Now, I'm running out of cards, so I may have to cut some more. Actually, Marina, can you cut me some more cards, please? Thank you, Marina. Where would I be without you, Marina? Try this. Good luck. 1 3/8 divided by 2 3/4 divided by 1/2. I'm gonna pause it. As always, is Manraj, what was your answer? 2 over 1. Now, how did you get 2 over 1? So here's how we're gonna do this again. I see these mixed fraction. I can't work with them. Never happens. I'm gonna convert them to improper form right now. Would you agree? You get 11 over 8 divided by 11 over 8. Now remember what I said? When you have a lot of fractions, forget about the last one. Just work with the first 2. I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to do this one piece at a time. I want you to solve this right now. 11 over 8 divided by 11 over 8. Question, Sufin.
Is it 2 times 4? Oh no.
2 times 4 is 8, yes.
Yeah. Plus
Okay.
3.
Plus 3
Yeah.
is 11, yes. Oh, whoa, I mean the bottom. That's where I went wrong. Made a little boo-boo. Okay, so now I'm going to flip. Marissa, which one am I going to flip? 11 and 4. I'm going to flip the 11 over 4. So this becomes 11 over 8 times 4 over 11. Okay, no tricks. Keep it simple. Now, guys, you gotta look for things to cancel out. Look at this. Hey, this cancels out. This cancels out. 1 and 1. This 8 cancels out. This 4 cancels out. 1 and 2. So now you have 1 over 2. Look what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring this. Now some of you say, hey, we're done. But don't forget, there's another 1/2 right here. So divide this by 1 over 2. Some of you multiply. But the thing is, remember, now I have 2 fractions. There's one of them I have to flip again. And Dopreet, which fraction am I going to flip? The first one or the second one? See? Now when you have 2 fractions again, I flip this again. 1 over 2 times 2 over 1. Oh, hang on. There's an error. The answer should be 1. Oh, you got a card. Okay, I'll give you a card. So guys and gals, the answer was 1. That is how you do this question. So, actually, I'm gonna let you guys keep your card because there's a tiny boo boo. Guys, gals, your work for today. Page. Two, 7. Number 5 to 10, first of all. Again, I'm going to do word problems at the end. But for now, I want you to get the basics first. Get crack-a-lackin'. I'm going to pause it, stop it.